Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Suresh C. Hegadi, Principal of Soundarya Institute of Management and Science, Bangalore. Hope you are all safe and doing well with your family members during COVID-19 crisis. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel it is my privilege and honor to bring to your kind notice that the Department of Physical Education of SIMS, in association with Department of Physical Education, Bangalore University, and Physical Education Foundation of India is organizing a national level faculty development program on physical education in the digital era. This faculty development program will commence from 16th of August 2020 and ends on 23rd August 2020. For this faculty development program, we have invited scholarly and eminent resource person from the field of physical education who are going to update your knowledge in the field of physical education. Ladies and gentlemen, already 250 delegates from 26 states have registered themselves for this development program. And we got really a very good response from you people, and this response will inspire us, motivate us in the days to come to organize such kind of more and more programs for the benefit of you people only. And on behalf of SIMS family, I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude for your positive and quick response as far as this faculty development program. I will assure you at the end of the program, you are going to update your knowledge in the field of education. All the best to you people.